family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning, up on my coffee. And I was up just thinking about um, my fellow welders. And I feel like if it's in you to be independent, don't hesitate. Don't push it off. If it's in your heart, it's not meant for everyone to be independent. It's not meant for everyone to have a LLC, corporation, um, a non-profit, or whatever the situation might be. I know it's not meant for everyone, but I believe that everyone, just like some of us are born with skills, some of us are born with talents. And some of us learn skills. So just because it might not be in you to do it, but you can learn to do it, and you can form a habit, and it can really help you. Because a lot of times you don't want to do it because you think it's too hard, or it's too much into it, or it's too many taxes, and actually you get taxed more working for someone. Honestly, the truth is you get taxed 3 times versus your one time working for yourself. And if you get big enough, and if you do it right, and invest right, you can get taxed zero to another person that worked in a job 3 times. You see what I'm saying? So there's many ways to think outside the box once you know better. But I would say this: if it's in you, don't hesitate to go on and jump off the porch and go on and make something happen, or step outside of the boat and go on and get on the water. You know what I mean? Because if it's meant for you to do something to change things for your family, I don't know your situation, but someone got to do it. If things are going to remain the same, then someone got to break the chain. Someone got to think different. And believe it or not, a lot of us are programmed. We are programmed to think a certain way. The system has programmed a lot of us. So a lot of times when you might hear, especially me myself, because I feel like the way that I talk to you and the way that I give you information is a little unorthodox. You know what I mean? Because I'm not the typical, person that you're gonna normally run across. I'm just gonna be authentic and real with you. I'm gonna give it to you as I learn it, or as I experienced it, or from my standpoint. I'm not gonna try to puff myself up to be something that I'm not. I'm not gonna try to belittle you. I'm just to be me. Black Phoenix, a black man, a black native. You know what I'm saying? From Arkansas, born in Little Rock. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna be me. And I have traveled. So I got a chance to rub shoulders and network with different people. So it helped grow me as a person. You know what I mean? Like once I stepped outside of my box, I got a chance to deprogram myself, deprogram how I thought that I had to get it. And I realized, oh, I can't get it that way. You know what I mean? So I would feel like once you got it in you to do something better, do better. You know what I mean? Don't don't be afraid to reach out to someone that you might feel they got that knowledge that you need, because you don't know. That person might be open. It's just all the way that you come to them. You know what I mean? It's the way that you address the person, because I know a lot of my millennials don't really know how to communicate. The communication skills ain't really there. They don't really know, how to communicate as well. So, you know what I mean? Don't hesitate to say, reach out and say, hey man, I'm kind of lost. I want to get this direction. I need to know what I need to do. Yeah, true enough, I'm starting out. I might not have no money, or I might just got this little job. Do I need to set up a little savings to the side? Because, we're willing to invest in everything. Our image, the way we drive to work, you know what I mean? Um, the way we live, how we eat, you know what I'm saying? How we smoke, you know what I mean? How we drink, whatever. We're willing to invest in all type of things. Now, 220, we got to invest in our independence. We got to invest in our futures to break chains for our kids, so that way they can actually live better. Because we think that it's all about, oh, once we get the bag, we just gonna give the kids the bag because we didn't have the bag. Nah, if we get the kids the bag without teaching them what to do with the bag, they gonna blow the bag the same way we had blew the bag. You know what I'm saying? Before we learned, we had lost money. So we got to teach them how to use money, how to flip money, what the importance of money is, and not just what you can get with money. You know what I mean? Because yeah, we want to all live good. There's nothing wrong with it, but we need to learn how to allow those things, those luxuries that we want to pay for themselves. To have some investments where we actually wearing these things for free. It's possible. So I just want to say to my welders this morning as I'm up on my coffee, don't hesitate to be independent. If it's in you, pointed out.